So we're in the Davinci booth, Davinci Motors. And they have this new product called the DV100. It's an electric motorbike, electric motorcycle. Let me do a quick walk around. It's a Chinese-made motorcycle manufactured in Zibo, China. DC100. So it's got the ergonomics of a sport bike. Top speed of this particular vehicle is 124 miles per hour. Estimated range of 249 miles. Again, that is dependent on your weight and use scenario. Takes about 30 minutes to charge, and approximate weight, curb weight, is about 562 pounds. They come in different colors. We got silver, orange, black, yellow, and gray back there. And here's the spec sheet. DC100. Pause if you need to look at this spec sheet real quick. But to get in contact with them, davincimotor.com. Let me do a quick fly around. Speculating the seat height based on how I sat on it is about probably 31 inches.